All right, welcome back to LearnWire. I wanted to put a quick update video about some updates that we've done and some improvements to LTD Compass based on initial feedback. We already have customers making the purchase and picking up the tool. We've got some initial feedback, which I worked on yesterday and early this morning. Hopefully you like it. So this is LTD Compass, and it allows you to research and get even more feedback. Basically gives you a trust score analysis of deals on AppSumo when you are making purchases. It grades it and it looks for things that going to an AppSumo page doesn't normally do for you, right? And it's going to look at all kinds of other stuff like website traffic, how long they've been around, when the deal was founded, how long has time passed, if they have a LinkedIn profile, if there's a roadmap. So it's looking at a lot of other things that most people kind of miss. Initial users are really liking the Deal Vault management system. When I built this tool out, it was not necessarily, this was kind of like a side type thing, right? Like this vault area. This was something that was just kind of like, hey, I think that this would be cool to build and help people manage and keep track of what they're purchasing on AppSumo. And technically the vault will work with any lifetime deal. You can actually use the vault if you buy on Dealify, or I don't think PitchGround's around anymore. If you buy on any of these other sites, then you can also put those in here as well. The trust score analysis only works for AppSumo deals. I'll show you what it looks like. You go in here and you can look at what's already been analyzed. It'll give you a score, full rundown, and 5 major criterias that it's going to grade. You can pick up the deal and you could download a report and so forth if you wanted to. Or if you go back over here and this is in, green, you can click this rescan button and follow the directions. So you can just hover over here. It'll tell you what to do. And you would just go and paste this in. It takes 30 seconds and then you analyze the deal and it's going to do a new fresh analysis for you like that. This vault area is where you can manage and monitor your lifetime deal collection. This is something that I didn't really think of when I created the tool, but sometimes this just happens, right? Where initial users, this is the part that they really think is the most useful. In a sense, this is kind of solving the problem or the pain point. It's not really about the deal trust score. I'm going to put a lot more work and time into this part of the tool, and I want to show you what we've added. We've added a bunch of stuff. Right off the bat, you can see your tools. I just added how much money right over here. Most of these are gifted to me by AppSumo. I put in some amounts and tiers. Usually I get tier 1 access to the tools. It'll say when the purchase date is and stuff. So I'll walk you through that. So you'll have your total tools in here, the active status, which is cool, and the down status. What we've got set up over here is that the tool will automatically, once you go and set up a tool, so you'll go to add LTD tool, you'll put in the tool name, you'll put in the login page for that tool, you'll put in the price right here, and then we've added in what tier. I don't think it ever goes past tier 10. Obviously, users will give feedback if we need to go higher, but I usually don't think there's much more than a tier 10. Maybe it doesn't matter if you get tier 12, you could select tier 10. Then you put in the price, and we've added categories now. So we've added the price, we've added tiers, and this is all new improvements to the tool. And then we've added categories. And what I did was I went to AppSumo. When you go to software and you look over here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 main categories, right? And some of them have a lot of categories in them, right? Marketing and sales has a ton as well. Build it yourself, not as many. Media, finance, development, and IT. So there's just too many categories. I wouldn't want to throw every single one of those in there. So what I did was I went through all of them and I kind of narrowed it down. Some of these I just put, the customer support or something like that. The one that I broke out the most was the marketing and sales, because if you come through here, you'll see there's 63 tools. Operations is a pretty big category. You'll go over here, there's only 25 in build it yourself. There's only 33 in that one. There's only 9 in finance, development, there's only 35, and then customer support, there's 25. But when you click on marketing and sales, you're going to see 125 products. So this is the big one that they really break down. And so I kept most of those. And so when we come back into LTD Compass, when you're adding a product, you get to pick from operations, build it yourself, video creation and editing. So I just put those in there. Like maybe you have a TikTok video creator or a long form video Opus clip type tool where it clips your videos for you. That's still considered video creation and video editing. So we'll just put all those together. Visual design and photo editing would be like Canva type alternatives. Then you have audio, then you have, your different, whatever you want to select over here. We have finance, development IT. We have e-com, CRM, content marketing. And content marketing is a really big one. Anything that has AI, content generation, or AI chatbots, you might want to put in that. And then we just have all these different categories that you can pick from: social media, social proof, webinars and streaming, SEO is a big one, lead gen, email marketing. And then you add your tool to the vault. So once you fill this form out, select your category, you add it to the vault. Really simple. And then you have all these tools in here based on the category. It's going to add that category there. It's going to have the price of your tier, your purchase date on AppSumo, and it's going to have the last checked, right? So every 7 days, this is going to go out. And let's take a look at Humanize, for example. We click on this, and every 7 days, it goes out and pings the URL that you put in right here, and it'll tell you if it's active or not. We can click on this at any time, and we can go open up our tool. And that's a really cool way to manage your LTD tools as well, is that because, honestly, there's people that have bought over 500 or even 1,000 deals on AppSumo. So if you're a super user and you spend thousands and thousands of dollars per year and you've been doing it for years, you're going to have hundreds of tools, right? And this is going to allow you to manage your tools. You'll be able to put all this in here. You can go at any time and edit the login page if something changes. You can change the price. You can update everything you want. You can change the category right here if you need to as well. Add your date, and then you have notes right here. Anything you want to put in here, it's up to you. Then you can just save. So that's kind of how you can manage that. But that's where this comes in, right? It's going to do a cron job. It's going to go and see if that's live. And when it did this one over here, I'm leaving this one here just to show you what it looks like when one is down. You can go take a look at it. The site is actually down. We come over here, click on it. The site completely went under. Look, the site's just gone completely. It also has pinged and it's gone. So you could remove that or keep it however you want. I'm keeping it for demo purposes. Now, at any time, you could go, oh, follower, I use a lot. I want to go ahead and favorite that. It's going to automatically put it at the top and default to the favorites, or you can click on one of them and move it and not be a favorite. So the tools that you're using a lot, you can go ahead and favorite them. Now, we've done some other cool things as well. We have the search box over here. You can just start typing in and find the tool you're looking for really easy. And then we've added these really cool filter features over here. Again, you can filter by favorites, status, category, amount paid, tier level, purchase date, and tool name. But then we have some more filters that we've added. So let's just say you want to look at all of your social media tools. There's people that have hundreds of tools. This is just a simple demo where I only have 6 tools, but I'm sure a lot of you have dozens of tools that you've purchased. And that's where you'll be able to come in and be like, oh, I want to look at my social media tools. It's going to pull up your social media tools, and then check this out, guys. It's going to automatically total this for you. So you could actually look at, okay, social media, I've spent $247 on social media tools. And then you could even filter by all time, this year, 12 months, last 30 days, and last month as well. So you can also do that as well. I'm going to come back up here, go to all categories, and then filter by this year, right? These are the only ones that I've actually added to my account, right? So you have all these filter options. Users gave me feedback that, hey, that would be really cool if you could add in how much we paid, what tier level. And then another user said, hey, that'd be really cool if you allowed us to put categories so we could fully manage what we're spending on lifetime deals, right? And then finally, the really cool part that I wanted to show you guys is that we have this new stats page. Now, if we click on the stats page, it's going to take all the information you have. We also have down here that you'll be able to have 25, 50, or 100 per row right over here. People that have more than 100 tools, it's going to paginate and you're going to be able to go to different pages. But here's the cool button right over here. We're going to go to stats and it's going to do a little pop out for us. It's going to tell us our total tools, the total spent all time. Now you can definitely get to this information right over here and it's going to say 481 right there. But if you want to get to a quick stats page, it's really easy because you're going to get all this information up here. You're going to get the total purchased 30 days. So you're going to be able to read all this: amount spent 30 days, 59, tools purchased in the last 6 months, amount spent in the last 6 months, tools purchased in the last 12 months, amount spent in the last 12 months. And then you have your year to date, right? Because 12 months is rolling. So it's like February till last February. But year to date tools would be only 2025, how much you've spent, right? And then you have your average tools per month that you're buying, and then your average spending per month, and that's the lifetime on the account. And then your most purchased content category, which is really cool. So you buy more tools in content marketing, but your most spent categories, let's say you're buying tier 4s, tier 5s in a certain category, even though we only bought 2 tools here, which is less than over here, we actually spent more money with social media tools. So it gives you some nice little stats that you can just quickly get to. Just click the button, boom, you can see all your stats right there. That's updated in real time. We've added a bunch of features to make this a full-fledged LTD vault management system where you can stay on top of your tools if they are active or not. You can filter and sort them any way you like. You can find out how much you're spending per year, per month, per category. You can refine the information as much as you want. This is super useful for people buying 5 to 10 deals per year or more. Some people are buying 50 deals per year. This will at least allow you, it's not just about how much money am I spending or whatever, but it's telling you how many deals have I purchased that end up in the down category, right? And then it also allows you to keep track of the tools that you want to use or that you're currently using a lot. And then one of the users said, hey, if I have 100 tools in here and I bought 20 video editing tools and I don't know what I have in my video editing bank or content marketing bank, you can just come over here and let's say you need to create some content. You would come over here and go into your content marketing and you'd be able to say, oh, I have these tools right over here. I have Humanize. Okay, cool. I can go and log in and use this, click the button, full-fledged management tool. What do you guys think about these updates? I think they're great. You can go and click the link below, go pick this up. It's a one-time lifetime deal. And yes, I realize that some AppSumo deals are start at like $49, $59. I don't think $10 more a factor of buying. And this is a one-time thing. You guys know that I'll only offer you quality and keep my products up and running and update them based on user feedback and so forth. You guys have been with me a really long time. You know that I'm going to take care of you guys. That's why I priced this at $67. I actually was going to price this at $97 and I only priced it at $67 so everyone has a chance to get in. So go click the link below, go pick this up, go get your full-fledged management tool. I wanted to make this about the updates and what's going on with the LTD Vault, which I'm learning is almost turning into the MVP of the tool, where people really needed one of these types of tools over here. The Deal Trust Score is going to be super cool. I spent 2 weeks on this portion of the tool to get this right, to be able to go and do all these trust score analyses. And I've done the live web scraping, and then we had to take that out based on a lot of different factors. And so this was like what I thought was going to be the most attractive, heavy hitting part of the tool. But it turns out you guys really needed a full-fledged LTD management tool. And I think that we've got something right here. So welcome to feedback as well. Thanks for joining me. Click the link below, go pick this up right now while it is on a lifetime deal. Once we get enough users, then this will probably switch to like a $10 to $15 per month tool. Thanks for joining me, and I will see you in the next video.